Okay, so you may be wondering, why did all the clips in this video come out really late? Well, the truth is that when they were originally recorded and finished, I never got around to uploading them to YouTube until now. So basically this video is a compilation of trains I've seen at the COMRC Club and surrounding area. So we begin this journey on July 18th, 2019. So let's go. So, the first train we see is a Norfolk Southern northbound intermodal train passing the COMRC, with the solo SD70M leading the way with a beautiful Leslie RS5T horn. Next up, we see a southbound Norfolk Southern manifest train with two types of GEVOs leading the way. Lastly, on July 18th, we see a Norfolk Southern northbound intermodal train with an AC44C6M leading the way, which made it a pretty cool catch. After that day, we then move to July 21st, 2019, where we see a CSX local heading through Hilliard, Ohio with the C40-8W leading the way. Now, as you can see, this train was super short, so that's the reason why I got a full video of the entire train this time. After that day, we then move to August 13th, 2019. I know this is a little bit out of order, but just bear with me. Anyways, as seen in this blurry picture, is a couple of Camp Chase Railroad GP9 locomotives shunting Buckeye Yard. After that, we then move to August 15th, 2019, where we see a CSX northbound garbage/manifest train passing the COMRC. After that day, we then move to August 16th, 2019, where here in this picture we see CSX ES44AH number 950 sitting on an intermodal train in Buckeye Yard. As we were traveling from one end of the yard to the other, we found out that this intermodal train was so big it stretched from one end of the yard to the other, with 950 being the distributed power unit on this train. After that, we then move to August 22nd, 2019, where in this scene you see a southbound Norfolk Southern manifest train passing the train club. Note the Dash 944CW leading the way with the white unibrow but old NS logo. After the manifest, we then see a CSX northbound beer train with an SD40-3 leading Longpit forward to the Budweiser plant a few miles away from here. After the beer train passed, we then see a CSX northbound trash, ballast, and manifest train passing the train club. As the train was passing, the only way I can really describe it was we were witnessing precision scheduled railroading at its finest. The last train we will see in this video is a northbound Norfolk Southern intermodal train with another AC44C6M leading the way. So now we've reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like down below and a comment, and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Happy trails. Wait, hold on a second. I almost forgot about something. I have an announcement to make. Now, as we know from last year, trains are not only my thing. The Highland County Fair is coming to Hillsborough this next coming week. The day I will be going to the Highland County Fair this year will be September 1st, 2019. I will explain these videos in more detail when they come out. Since this is a train YouTube channel, you may be asking why are there motorsports videos on there. Well, you just have to wait for the video of the Highland County Fair when it comes out. Anyway, stay tuned for that and videos afterward. We'll see you next time. Happy trails.